What is a pulley? A pulley is a basic device used to ease moving and lifting heavy objects. One of the 6 simple machines, a pulley's construction consists of one or more wheels which a rope, cable, belt, or chain is looped around. With one end of the string attached to an object and the other end attached to a person or a motor, the object can be lifted easily. There are 3 types of pulleys that are separated depending upon how the wheel and rope are put together. These 3 types of pulleys are fixed, movable, and compound. A fixed pulley is the simplest of the 3, and as its name implies, the pulley is fixed and its wheel and axle stay in one place. Movable pulleys allow a pulley to move up and down while the end of the rope is fixed. Compound pulleys are a system in which a combination of fixed and movable pulleys are used. Pulleys can be found assisting applications you use in everyday life or industrial machinery. From large construction cranes to window blinds, pulleys provide a simple but powerful mechanical advantage to ease lifting tasks. If you like this information on pulleys, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational videos. For information about Radwell, visit us on the web at radwell.com or connect with us on social media. Thanks for watching!